Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So today guys, we are going to be doing a very quick install of this beautiful hair. So guys, this hair is from IDEFINEWIGS.com. iDefine was generous enough to send me this beautiful wig. It is 18 inches. It is a 13x4 HD frontal wig. The density of this hair is 150%, and I am going to leave the exact link and code for this hair in the description bar. I am obsessed with the hair. It is very soft. This is 100% human hair wig. Now this hair does not come pre-plucked, but it does come styled. So I did not have to curl this hair at all. It does come with layers. It is very, very thick and full to say that it is 150%. Now you could go in and add some additional tracks to this hair, but you don't necessarily have to because it just looks natural and it feels very, very good. It is not processed. I love the fact that the lace goes ear to ear, so of course like I'm able to put this hair behind my ear and feel like very natural. The last couple wigs that I've gotten have been entirely too small for my head and I could not do this at all, but this wig is very well constructed and it's just all around good quality. I have made wigs myself before in the past and this one is just like chef's kiss, top notch. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into the installation process of this wig. It was very easy to do. I did use a glueless glue for this wig. I can take this wig off at night and be ready to use it the next day, or I can sleep in it if I wanted to. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into the installation of this video. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and yeah, let's get into it. Nothing makes me feel better than getting my hair done, and whenever I get my hair done, I feel like a bad bee. I got this hair from IDEFINEWIG.com and I am super excited. So this one has highlights in it, which I haven't had blonde hair for a while, so I'm really excited. I like the fact that they send you over wig caps. So I got a wig cap in a brown and then pretty much like this pale color. Definitely think that I'm gonna go with that one. So it's been a minute since I have had highlights, and this is HD lace, which I absolutely like, guys. Okay, what lace? So the hair is like pretty much, it's layered with some curls in it. I cannot wait to install this bad boy. It has the ear to ear lace. It does have a lace part in the back if you wanted to wear your hair up. I've never gotten a wig before that has had that in it, so this should be very interesting to try. So as of lately, I've gotten wigs from hair companies that have just sent me like smaller caps. I love the fact that this one was made specifically for someone who has a larger head, so you have the option to order like cap size. If the wig is too big, it has this clip part in here where you can not only take this out, you can adjust the wig to your size. I'm blown away by that, because most wig companies, you have to buy this band separately and sew it in yourself, but once you take that part out, it just makes the wig so much bigger. But if you wanted to again control the size of the cap, you can. I like the fact that you can do partings in this hair. So with this hair, if I wanted to wear a side part, I can. If I wanted to wear a middle part, I can. The hair feels super soft, like the hair is not coming out, and I am actually pulling on it. So this to me seems like a very good quality wig. The biggest thing is the install. Is it going to look good? So guys, we're gonna go ahead and install this wig. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Girl, we're gonna get me together. So let's go ahead and just kind of get started. My hair is very thick when it's curly, so what I'm going to do is go in, I'm going to wet my hair. I'm not going to braid it down because I feel like that's just going to take too much time, but I am going to twist it down and then pretty much pin it. So I will be right back. Alright, so I have pretty much just twisted my hair down and pinned it. For reference, I don't do the ball cap method because I don't wear the wigs that much. Some people like to sleep in theirs, I do not. So we are just going to take that cap and just put it on just to further lay down the hair. And this will help to just protect your hair during this process. I don't mind having the front out because sometimes when the glue gets on that, it doesn't take my hair out. We're going to be using the Bold Hold glue for this. This is a glueless hair glue. So I love this because it doesn't take my hair out and it lays the wig down. So we're going to go ahead and just put this on for reference. And guys, honestly, this is very nice. Now, I could pluck that hairline, but so you can see how this comes down and it's basically ear to ear. This hair is so soft and so silky, and I am like obsessed with the curls and also the length. So this is how you know if your lace is fitting or not. If you can take this wig and your ear just fits nicely, this is a good fit. Alright, so what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and before I cut my lace, I'm going to start applying some of that liquid gold around the front part of my hair. And then I'm going to take a rat tail brush, basically an edge brush, it's the same thing, and just push that glue backwards onto the hairline. Again, this is very safe. What I love is when I want to take this wig off, all I do is wet a rag and just lightly dampen around the edges and it comes right off, versus having to like use alcohol and pull and tug on your hair. This stuff is amazing. Alright, so once you get that lace glue on, go ahead and pull that lace down to where it matches, you know, your front of your hairline. Get it in place, and then you are going to want an edge scarf, and then I'm going to take my edge scarf and pretty much tie it down. Doing this is going to help that lace to really melt into the scalp. You can tie it as tight as you can, and then we're going to leave that, come back, and then we're going to cut our lace. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that the glue was at least a little bit dry so that we can go ahead and cut this lace. Now guys, if you wanted to, you could take like any bronzer or foundation powder and just go in and pretty much put it on the lace. I first start trimming. I like to cut down the center and then just pretty much start going around that hairline. So this is what we took off so far. So again, you can kind of see like where everything is laid down. I am going to put a little bit of bronzer on that just to kind of darken it some, but the lace is lacing. It is laid down pretty good. I'm just going to do one more cut right here in the front. All right, I'm just going to take some of that powder and just kind of put it on that lace in the front just to darken it. So you can kind of see as I'm doing that, it's starting to blend in a little bit more. And don't worry guys, we are gonna go back in and do our makeup, so that is, you're not gonna be able to see like any lines or anything. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this liquid gold right on the outer parts of the lace. Just anywhere where there was like some parts that are starting to come up from where we cut and took the scarf off, and I'm not using a whole lot of product. Alright, so I just threw a little bit of makeup on just so that you guys could see where the edge part would blend. I'm in love with this hair. Like, it is giving me a different look. It is very warm. It goes with my skin tone. Now, if you, of course, don't want the blonde parts in the hair, you don't have to have that. So I love the fact that I don't have to necessarily style the hair, because again, it does come, you know, layered and curled. I like the fact that, like I said, if I want to wear the hair to the side, I could, or if I wanted to have it parted down in the center, I could do that as well, and it gives me a whole entirely different feel. This wig is very luxurious. I'm gonna leave the links to everything in the description bar below. So IDEFINE was generous enough to leave me a code for you to save 15% off of your order, so you can use the code 15 and save you some coins, girl. So I think that you guys would absolutely love this hair. It is very soft. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was a very quick install. Go ahead and check out the website. I'm gonna leave it in the description bar below. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join our beautiful online family, and I will see you in my next video.